everybody, Roz from Free to Roam. For all my new viewers, a big warm welcome, and for my subscribers, thanks a lot for your support. I really appreciate it. Well, we've put the detectors away and the fishing rods away, and we're out touring Far North Queensland. And I noticed that they're in the middle of their harvest, sugar harvest season. So I thought I'd do a little video on the sugar industry, which I've called Sweet Success. The sugar industry operates roughly around from June to November every year, and I've got a few contacts there that I was able to contact and see if I could get access to their farms, which I have, and I hope you enjoy this vid.
Oh, my mind, now my mind is blown. No surprise, guess I should have known. Oh, my mind, now my mind is blown. No surprise, guess I should have known. You got control of me, break my barricades. Walls are crumbling, grounds they shake. You came to save, but it's way too late. Every single time you stay, I cave. You got control of me, break my barricades. Walls are crumbling. Every single time you say I cave. You got control of me, break my barricades. Walls are crumbling. Every single time you say I cave. My mind is blown, no surprise, guess I should have known. Oh, my mind, now my mind is blown, no surprise, guess I should have known. You got control of me, break my barricades.